Guys, welcome back to Annie's Roblox. Today I'm going to be finishing the last couple tasks on my dodo. As you can see, it only needs like one more, so we are going to go ahead and do that. I am super duper excited right now. I think this is the last task, and I'm so excited. Oh my god, it needs one more, or like one or two more. Okay, luckily it needs to sleep, so we are gonna go ahead and wait. Could you hurry up? I'm so excited. This is my last dodo that I need to age up as well. So yeah, please. Oh my gosh. Good thing I saved a couple tasks because I didn't think it was gonna take this long. I thought it only needed like one or two more. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give it a shower, and if this does not work, I'm gonna give it something to drink, and then we have one more task, which is the school task. And yeah, so let's see if this works. Oh yes, it's aged up. Oh my god, guys, as you just saw, I just finished aging up my very last dodo bird. So we are going to go ahead and head right on down to the neon place because I am super excited right now. I cannot believe I just finished my last dodo, and none of these are flyable or rideable, so that kind of sucks, but that's okay. I am super excited. I have seen people have the neon dodo, and I am so excited. Because they are so cool. They're not as cool as what I think they're, or what they thought they were going to be, but they are really cool. Okay, ready? We are placing our first one. Oh my god. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Next one. Feathers. Oh my god, that was my first one. My first dodo. I named it Feathers. Berries going in. Oh my god. Last freaking one. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. I am so freaking excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god, I want to see it in my inventory. Oh my god. Okay. No. Oh my god. Okay, I'm buying a ride potion real quick. Okay, here we go. Feed. Oh my god. I am so freaking excited right now. Okay. Oh my god, guys. This is so cute. Alright, we are going to go ahead and teleport to the town center, you guys. And since this video wasn't very long, I'm going to go ahead and go to a public server in just a little bit and see what I get offered for this neon rideable dodo bird. And I'm also going to see if I can get more Robux so I can buy a flyable potion. So yeah, I hope you guys like this part because this took forever, but I love it. See it in our inventory now. Okay, here we go. Neon rideable dodo. Oh my god. I'm freaking out, guys. Anyways, but I'm gonna go ahead and join a public server right now. So I will see you guys in a minute. After about 25 minutes of trying to get into the server, I finally got in. So we are going to go ahead and teleport to the main area and see how rich it is. By the way, I have not even walked around in the server yet. So yeah. Holy smokes, this is a rich server, and I see a neon T-Rex here already, so I'm gonna wait for all of these people to load in, and then I will get right back to you. Everybody finally loaded in, so now I'm gonna bring out my neon rideable dodo that I'm super excited and worked very hard. And I started from a newborn on 3 of these, and then started on junior on 1 of them. So yeah, oh my god, somebody already sent me a trade request. I'm pretty sure my trades are on since this person just traded me. So we're gonna go ahead and add my neon rideable dodo bird. What are you gonna add? Okay, oh no, I'm sorry. I do not want to do all the work for you. I am very, very, very sorry. Oh my god. See, everybody just wants. Ooh, okay. That ups the chances, but still not really what I am looking for. I am very, very sorry. Okay. This is the exact same person. All right, here we go. We are just gonna keep seeing more trades, and let me just fix the camera real quick, guys. So this is one of the offers. I finally got the camera fixed, by the way, and yeah, I'm gonna decline on that one. I am truly sorry. Yeah, I'm just going to ride around on my neon rideable dodo bird. Oh my god, I love how the dodo birds walk. Oh, my friend just got a pink cat rideable, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, we are just going to walk around, and I will get back to you once I get a trade. Never mind, I just got a trade. All right, here we go. I'm sorry, I do not want to do that trade. All right, see if we walk in the middle, if anybody will trade us. We just got a trade right now, so we're going to go ahead and accept this trade. Oh, we are getting offered. Never mind, they took out that. That would have been the only reason I would have accepted, was for that. I'm looking for more like an owl, maybe. Two neon, and a regular. I'm guessing they were working on a mega. I add after. What would you add? Okay. So this is a pretty good offer. They are showing me what they would add after. Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh, okay, that's. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, no, thank you. Look at some other offers. We're gonna look at some other offers and see what I get offered. Oh my god, everybody just wants to freaking give me them. Wants to give me all their dodos because they think I'm going to want to do the work. No. Anyways, this took long enough. Oh, I would maybe do it for like an owl or something. I'm gonna trade this for thing. Trading diamond dragon, looking for mega golden penguin or mega king bee for a diamond. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, I'm gonna add this. And then what if I add like a dragon? I don't know. Maybe. Nope. An immediate decline. All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and add this. See what they add. A golden uni. Ooh. But I feel like the golden unicorns are going down a lot in the value, so I'm sorry. We're gonna have to politely decline that trade right there. And if people have already traded me, I normally decline them. Sometimes I'll give them like 3 chances to change their offer. But I'm sorry, this is not gonna cut it for me. This is still pretty under. So, ooh, I about hit the accept button there. Oh my god. Okay, trading tombstone. Maybe we could get a tombstone for that. Maybe. Okay, here we go. We gotta find the person. If I get offered if I get the tombstone, I do not know what I'm going to do, but they are worth more than just a number, though. Yeah. So, doesn't look like we're getting much trades, but I am going to trade this person right here with a Shadow Dragon, because nobody really knows what the Neon Dodos are worth yet, or Neon T-Rexes are worth yet. So we're just going to see Storm, Giraffe, and Frost. Oh, it's for a Giraffe or and a Frost. I'm sorry, I have neither of those. Well, I have one of them. I have the Frost Dragon, but that's not really what I'm looking for. Alright, well, guys, I think I'm going to see if, I get a couple more trades real quick. Ooh, okay, I wonder if I can get a Giraffe. There's, like, literally 0% chance I would get a Giraffe, but whatever. I'm just going to spam them. Where are they? Okay, somebody sent me a trade request. I'm gonna go ahead and accept. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Oh, whoa. A crow and a neon uni. Wow. Oh, and they accepted. Whoa. Oh my god, this is the best offer I've gotten, but I'm gonna have to decline because I have seen people get way more for the dodos than just a crow and that. So yeah, I am very, very sorry to that person. But I think if I don't have any more requests, no. Okay. I think I'm gonna do a part 2 to this video in a different server. So watch for that part 2 where I try and trade trade my neon dodo and see what I get offered. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and yeah, bye.